Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to take the topic displacement reactions, that is at page number 50 in your science book. Now, what are the displacement reactions? First, you should know this word displacement. Displacement means to take place of another. अब क्लास में भी क्या होते हो, दो बच्चे एक सीट पे बैठे हुए हैं, तो अगर एक बच्चा ज़्यादा ताकतवर है तो वो दूसरे वाले को वहाँ से आके उठा सकता है. ठीक है. सेम इज़ इन केस ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शंस. डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शंस ऐसी रिएक्शंस होती हैं जिनमें मोर रिएक्टिव मैटर डिस्प्लेसेस द लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल और एलिमेंट भी हम कह सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन. The reactions in which more reactive metal or element displaces a less reactive metal from its compound. So these type of reactions are called displacement reaction. Now the question is this, that how should we know that which metal is more reactive and another one is less reactive? For this, we have reactivity series. तो reactivity series, this you should learn and आपको अपनी notebook पे भी इसको लिखना है. Reactivity series is the series of elements which tell us that which metal is more reactive. So here is our reactivity series. K for potassium, Na sodium, Ca calcium, Mg magnesium, Al for aluminium, Zn for zinc, Fe iron, Sn tin, Pb lead, H for hydrogen, Cu for copper, Hg for mercury, Ag silver, Au gold, Pt platinum. These are the symbols for these metals. Now what you have to do is you have to learn this reactivity series. I think it is very difficult to learn it, so there is a short form और इसके लिए एक लाइन बनाई गई है, आप उससे लर्न कर सकते हैं. लाइक दिस. के पोटेशियम केदार, सोडियम नाथ, का माली, Ca for calcium, माली, Mgm for magnesium, आलू aluminium, ज़रा zinc, फीके से Fe for iron, S for tin Sn, पकाता P for lead है, H for hydrogen. फिर उसके बाद आप चाप लिख लीजिए, CHAAP चाप. हियर Cu, इसके आगे बस आपने U G G U T इतना ही लगाना है. Cu for copper, Hg mercury, Ag silver, Au gold, Pt platinum. Okay, till now you learn reactivity series and one you should know, and आप इस चीज़ को learn कर लीजिए that as we go down in the reactivity series, the reactivity of elements decreases. So it shows that potassium is more reactive than sodium, then calcium is more reactive than magnesium, and potassium is most reactive element. ये सबसे ज़्यादा reactive है. Then we are having zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, Ag, Au and platinum. These are least reactive. Clear? As we go down the reactivity series, the reactivity of the element decreases. Thank you.